This is a homage beat.
Do you want anything? Do you like any other toppings? It's James and I did. Cool.
Oh, thank you.
Did you see what Lily did?
What'd she do? Like Lily?
Like Lily K. That eats
oh! I hate you.
Yeah, she did that.
How?
She was in her
What
cabin
is
this
that?
morning. Like, she did this
How?
overnight. I don't know, but like she literally only chewed this part. She didn't chew like the card or anything.
She's weird.
She's fucking weirdo.
Where are you going?
Don't worry about me.
Hey!
I'm going to Neverland.
I want to go.
No.
You work all day?
Yes.
Damn, I hate you.
I mean, I could just, leave work and go drinking. We're going drinking again, drinking!
Boo! Car meat! Harassing me!
There's no proof!
Yes, it is! I don't know if I did like the intro, but if not, yeah, I'm gonna be going to the Crofton meet and greet tonight. Shit, man, I still have to go home and edit my thing, so I hope they let me off early. But look what my co-workers do. Hold up. That's me though. I always draw that right there. But someone else did that. That's pretty dope. But I put the LOL. I started to put gay. Quiet. Look. Destructive motherfucker. You coming? Look, it's a hot chick. Okay, I'm sorry. I need Thor.
It's over there.
Thor! Short bust me again. Short bust me again.
You need me to give him to you, or
Yes.
you just want a video?
No, I need him. He's getting a bath.
Cool.
Look at this sexy bitch. Why is he looking at you like that? You tell him, Thor. This thing on his head. What the hell are you looking at? This dog is fucking unstable as motherfucker. What's up, blood? You wanna fight? Look, it's a white supremacist. He don't like black people that way. Fuck you and your KKK. Look, she's still looking at me.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Arya! I'm here. I don't know if I'm gonna take pictures or not, but this motherfucker here always here.
Froyo meat is here.
What guy?
The one that had
Shawn West.
Bye! see a Bentley GT3 though. Oh yeah, shout out to me though.
Yeah, Crofton meet and greet every Wednesday, 7 to 11. South 3. Come check it out. Have a good time. Bring your POS, bring your Bugatti, bring whatever you want on your bike, and come have a good time, yo.
Yeah. That's how you do it. With the homies. Yo, I'm in the house. Well, as you can see, but I had a great time. I didn't vlog that much because I got there late. That's it. Met homie. Fuck, I forgot his name. Shit, Howard. That's his name. But good seeing you again as always, bro. We gotta link up, do some shit. All them sexy Subies. Y'all be trolling like shit. I was like screaming like Team Honda and shit. Like everybody just stopped. It got like quiet. Like everyone just stopped. Just started laughing and shit. Like, see, I like to have fun at car meets and shit, dude. Like people take this shit like way too serious. And like people are like just assholes at meets, dude. Like that's what we're trying to change, dude. Like if you don't like certain people, certain cars, don't fucking come, bro. But yeah, man. See you in the next one. Treat others how you want to be treated. That also means behind the wheel because your life is no more important than anyone else. Peace and I'm out. Hello there. Like, no. Okay, I'm sorry. But yo, I made a video saying all this. I don't know where the hell it went. Just want to say it was nice to finally meet you. I met the guy before, but I didn't know that was him. Like, I was on Instagram. I talked to him like a little bit on Instagram. And then I didn't even know that was him. Well, because I didn't see pictures of him. I also just saw his video edits. Their Instagram is going to be like somewhere over here somewhere. But check out his Instagram. Oh my God. His videos. The goal is to be like you, dude. Lord Jesus, his edits, man. Teach me your ways.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.